She's giving star. She's giving fierce. She's giving dangerous. The in love.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double Styles, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are new to me, make sure you press that subscribe button and make sure you press that notification button so when I post that next video, you can get that alert ahead of time. Let's get into this wig review that we about to do. I've been wanting to do this wig review for a minute. I keep forgetting, but tonight I'm supposed to be hosting at a club tonight, and I'm thinking maybe this is the wig for tonight. I don't know, but we shall see. This is an Outre Wigpop synthetic full wig. It's called Jovi in color 1B, and it's like a mullet look. I've been wanting to do a mullet look for a minute, so when Outre released his wig, I bought this wig so fast because I don't got time to play. I need that immediately. And I love that color, but I'm just like, let me try black, because I just like how like shorter styles look on me and black hair, and I feel like it's just a safe route for right now until I figure out how I look in this one. So this is her, and we got it in our 1B. Let's open it like a present. Excuse me. This is going to be very quick and to the point because we really don't have to do anything to it but put it on. But this is the wig. It is very straight, centered mostly. It has the hair in the center, like cut in layers, like, you know, like a mullet. And then here's the front. And this is very soft, silky hair. And let's see. How many combs do we have? We have 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. So let's get to trying on. Let's get straight to the point with it. Hold on. I think I'm starting to like it already. I feel like a rock star a little bit, you know what I mean? Like, it's giving rock star vibes. But I love it. I love it. I think I really love this, y'all. What do y'all think? Like, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Am I gonna put all the hair this way? Let me see. Do I want to do that, or do I want it like a bang? I think maybe sometimes I'm gonna do it this way, but I think for tonight we're gonna keep the hair in the center. Let me brush it in the front. What y'all think? I feel like a rock star. I love it. Oh my goodness. Let me mess it up a little bit, see if I want it messy. Ooh, it's giving supermodel. Ooh, it's giving Vogue, maybe. Like you gotta take like a picture when it's giving full face, maybe. You know? Give it its own profile. Go with a rock star vibe. I love this. I really do. It is so easy. I didn't do nothing but put this on my head. And I feel beautiful. Like a beautiful rock star with her mullet. Yeah, this it. This it for the night. I ain't gotta do much. I don't gotta do much with the mullets. Wait, what's her name? Jovi. I don't have to do much with Jovi, but put that thing on and keep it moving. Yes. The question of the night, though, since we figured out what wig, which is this one, what outfit? I don't know. We shall see. Check out the end of the video, of course, of my pictures of the night. I kind of want to go all black tonight, but I don't know. But anyway, what you guys think in the comments. Y'all let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do y'all love this wig? Would you get this wig? What color would you get? Because in all honesty, that blonde one has my attention. Let me see that again. What other colors you got? Oh, that dark red velvet or that ginger brown. Oh. And this is super affordable, y'all. Like, this wig is probably, I don't know. I didn't look it up. I forgot how much I paid, but I think it was like $21. I'm thinking it's like $25 the most, but love it. Love it, Outre. And you did that by making a mullet wig. How you knew it was thinking about that? See, Outre be on it. Outre be on it. Yeah. Anywho, I'm talking too much. Let me figure out what I'm gonna wear because I need to get on this road. I will see you guys later for the next wig review I'll be doing, or a video, whatever I'll be doing next. I will see y'all guys for the next one. Just make sure y'all stay tuned, okay? And make sure you stay to the end of the video and look at my pictures and tell me if you like my outfit and if you like this hair. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Peace.